wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best dog grooming kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The sminiker cordless is impressive in both its efficiency and effectiveness. The rounded edge of the clipper protects your pet's skin from any accidental nicks, and the 4 included guide combs provide a balanced, precise cut. It comes with an extra strong titanium blade and a sleek body that's easy to maneuver. However, it can get bogged down in thick fur. At number 9, if your pet is sensitive to loud noises, the Scaredy Cut Silent is the way to go. This scissors set includes 7 attachment combs for trimming in a variety of different lengths, and it comes with gel finger inserts for maximum comfort during long grooming sessions. There are right-handed and left-handed options, and the tension level is adjustable, but the blades are rather dull. Coming in at number 8 on our list. For those who often deal with unruly pups, the cordless aspect of the razoo trimmer will be music to your ears. It has a helpful charge indicator light so you know when it needs more juice, and it comes with a cleaning brush to keep everything tidy. There are minimal vibrations while in use, and it's super gentle on skin. However, the battery doesn't last very long. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for dog grooming kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, a comfortable pet is a well-behaved pet, and the smooth, quiet operation of the beautural styling creates a relaxing atmosphere at the doggy barbershop. A rubber grip lines the body of the clipper, making it easy to wield. It's equipped with an adjustable taper lever and a quick charging battery, but hair gets caught in the guards at times. Moving up our list to number 6. The Kingstar Home is a basic 4-piece set that will fall in line with most budgets. All of the scissors are sharp with contoured handles for comfort and control, and it comes with a special oil so you can keep them lubricated and ready to go at all times. It includes a luxurious leather carrying case, a cleaning cloth, and 32 fine teeth on the thinning scissors. Halfway up our list at number 5. The homdox Professional includes everything you need to make your pooch look its best, including nail clippers, a slicker brush, and a double-sided comb. Each piece has an ergonomic non-slip handle that fits nicely in your hand for optimal control and minimal fatigue. It leaves hair nice and fluffy and sports an attractive pink and black design. It offers 2 cutting positions on the nail clippers. At number 4, lightweight and cordless, the otstar Black allows you to focus on the task at hand without worrying about irksome wires or arm fatigue. It doesn't get hot even during extended sessions, so your hand should remain cool and comfortable throughout. This one makes very little noise and offers 3 different cutting speeds and a 60-day money-back guarantee. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Not only does the versatile Ocoopa Turbo come with 2 clipper blades, one for thin fur and another for thick hair, it provides sharp scissors, a steel comb, 4 solid guides, a cleaning brush, and a resilient carrying pouch. It's equipped with rust-resistant ceramic blades, a handy charging station, and a digital screen that displays the power level. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for dog grooming kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, thanks to the nimble design of the Pettech Complete, you'll be able to access hard-to-reach areas of your pet's coat that you may have previously avoided. It's very quiet and doesn't yank hairs, which should help keep jumpy canines calm. This one's backed by a lifetime warranty and includes 12 pieces in total. The clippers are cordless for ease of use. And coming in at number 1 on our list. The Andis Animal is a useful option for at-home groomers who want professional results. The heavy-duty clipper houses a powerful motor that works well on thick coats, and its tough blade is coated with a special chrome finish to protect it from corrosion. This one's very quiet and stays cool to the touch. It comes with a durable 14-foot cord. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for dog grooming kits, or simply click beneath this video.